Miss Susan, this is looking so good.
That's so good.
Miss Susan is here. We're gonna have some.
Nothing in there. They will
All the ingredients. So
okay,
here.
this one only mix something in there.
Okay.
We'll take it one day. I bring it to the Chinese supermarket.
Okay.
Teach you how to get this stuff.
Okay.
This is I got it extra at home. I for you.
Okay.
It's,
Thank you.
we
You
have
brought
to
that
use-
for me?
We have to use this. Okay.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, so we have here broccoli.
Broccoli. I show you how to do it. Come up with two together.
All right.
We have carrots.
Carrots.
Everything.
Everything. Then we have the beef.
Including the gas and love.
Oh, really? So this is the beef. Miss
This is beef.
Miss Susan, where you shopping? Where do you shop?
This is people you have to go to the Aldi get it. Okay.
Oh, Aldi?
Only
Okay.
Aldi they have.
Okay.
They more cheaper.
Oh,
Only 10 bucks.
$10. $10.
This is really good beef.
Okay.
Really tender. And this one, just cut this.
Okay.
You have a okay. You cannot cut this way.
Okay.
Cut this way.
Oh.
Make the beef tender
Okay.
and easy to cook
Okay.
and easy to chew. Okay.
Okay.
And like this one, just cut it little piece.
Oh, like that?
Like this way. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know how to little pepper. Not too much. Maybe like a teaspoon or half teaspoon. Make a more tasty, right? That's it. And then sugar.
And then sugar? Sugar, no sugar?
No, 1 teaspoon is enough.
1 teaspoon.
Oh.
Okay.
Or half teaspoon.
Okay.
I think half teaspoon. But American, you guy left little bit sweet. Half teaspoon, okay?
Half teaspoon. Okay.
Did you record it? Okay.
Yes, I record it.
Okay, and then little bit salt.
A little bit salt? Okay. Let me do
Okay.
Okay. Half teaspoon.
Yeah, half a teaspoon salt, not too salty. That's okay. Maybe
Maybe
little
like
bit more.
1 teaspoon?
Little bit more. That's it. That's it.
Okay. 1, 2, and
Maybe 4. That's okay lah.
3,
4. How about
4.
4, 5. 4, 5. It's okay.
4, 5.
Okay. That's it. Maybe 3 piece.
Like 3 pieces
Yeah,
of
I
garlic.
think the 3 is enough.
Okay.
You will keep it somewhere. Can don't
Keep
throw
in
away.
the fridge.
Yeah. Cut this head first. Cut this one.
Okay.
Okay. You see the head here?
Uh-huh.
Not the head. Loose.
Yes.
But you have to be careful or you will hang on.
Right.
And
Crush.
crush. Like this.
Okay.
You got everything. Seasoning, you remember, right? Okay. Okay, cut. Okay, put it inside, okay?
We put it inside.
And mix it. And then we do a bucket.
Can we put it here? Okay. And mix it.
Mix it.
Okay.
Maybe we need a little bit more oil there.
A little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
8 or 7 teaspoons.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. Right?
Right.
Garlic, salt, oil,
Yes.
little bit sugar, and that's it. And soy sauce.
Right. So the soy sauce.
Already mixed it. I'll show you someday
Okay.
to the supermarket.
Oh, okay.
This one already mixed.
Okay, it's already mixed.
But for you, maybe only by soy sauce is enough.
Okay. I wanna do. You can show me how you mix it next time.
Maybe we already have a salt in there, right?
Right.
Maybe 2 teaspoons is enough, okay?
Okay.
Tablespoon. Okay, 2 tablespoons, okay? Do you recall for 2 tablespoons?
Right.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Okay, we
Okay.
cut that out. Okay.
And then you can use a hand or knife,
Oh,
put it separate.
to separate it. So are we still gonna cut it?
Yeah, do it separate like this. Don't use a hand
To cut.
too close. You can just hold like this.
Okay.
But if a kid like it, maybe like this. For kid, you know, you don't need the easy to eat for
Okay.
eat, right?
Okay.
That's it. It's very
That's how you
easy.
cut it? Okay. Okay.
That's I cut it.
Okay, good.
Maybe for kid, one more cut, huh? Like this. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Like this.
Yes. And like this. So we put water in half of the pot, and then we are done with the cutting of the.
Yeah, pour your water.
So now we're gonna put the water to boil. Put some salt in the water.
Not too much. Whatever you like it, baby.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
Okay.
1 teaspoon. Like a hot temperature.
Hot temperature.
Which is the top.
So we put it on high heat.
I heat. Say this way English.
What's that?
This one. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, you don't like it too soft.
Right.
Last time you like did I cook too soft?
No, it's not.
When you cooking, don't keep close to you. You all too hot water, okay?
Yes.
You watch out, huh?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
You hear this stir a bit all the time, okay?
Okay.
Stop a little bit and start again. Make sure they cook all of them. So.
Alright. So we will sieve it now. So we sieve it.
Beef right now. We're cooking.
We're cooking.
You want which one?
So we are getting our things ready.
So before you cooking, right? Before cooking, you have to stir it up a little bit first.
Okay.
Okay, maybe 2 tablespoons, not too much.
Okay.
Because
Ready.
really? Lots we're finished.
We finish it. Yay. Matcha.
Kids are gonna be happy
Yeah.
tonight.
Wow, it looks so fantastic. This is looking so good.
You know what? Maybe little too dry, right? Do you have hot water?
Hot water?
Can I give it hot water for me? Hot water.
Okay.
Because we have a lot of broccoli.
Okay,
Kids love it.
Because
Do
we have
the
more
rice, right?
broccoli. Yes.
Maybe put 1 more tablespoon.
Okay. Because we have more broccoli, we are trying to add more sauces.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe 1 tablespoon only,
Right.
right?
Yes.
And then after the water in there, you have to stir it up.
Right. So we added a little
Yeah.
bit of water.
The more juicy kid can put the rice,
Yeah.
right? Ah, beautiful. I love it.
I love it.
Next time I'll teach you how to cook
Shrimps and
shrimp.
broccoli.
Shrimp and broccoli.
So next video gonna be on broccoli shrimps.
Okay. Too hot.
Oh.
I can do. For you cannot do that now. For you cannot do that. Too dangerous for you.
Yes. Woo! Miss Susan, this is looking so good.
Looks so good.
It
looks so pretty.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to try a little bit piece?
Yeah.
How's good?
Thank you so much.
It's okay.